点
You are so kind.
你真好。20点
You are welcome.
不用客气。21点
Sorry./I am sorry.
抱歉。22点
Excuse me.
抱歉，打扰一下。23点
That's all right.
没关系。24点
Never mind.
别放在心上。25点
I agree.
我同意。26点
That's right.
对。27点
It sounds nice.
听起来不错。28点
That's too bad.
太可惜了。29点
I hope so.
希望如此。30点
That's fine.
很好。31点
Can you do me a favor?
能帮我个忙吗？32点
Please fill in this immigration form for me.
请帮我填入境登记表。33点
What should I fill in here?
这里要填什么？34点
Please fill in the hotel name for me.
请帮我填旅馆名称。35点
Please help me to fill in the declaration form.
请帮我填报税单。36点
For house rent, should I go to a U.S. immigration for registration?
租房子需要到移民局报备吗？37点
What's the matter?
怎么了？发生什么事了？38点
What for?
为什么？39点
Where do you live?
你住哪里？40点
Can you speak English?
你会说英文吗？41点
Are you sure?
你确定吗？42点
May I have your business card or address and telephone number?
请给我你的名片或是地址电话，好吗？43点
Excuse me, how can I get to this address?
请问到这地址怎么走？44点
How much?
多少钱？45点
How far?
有多远？46点
How long?
要多久？47点
Do you have the time?
你知道现在几点吗？48点
What time is it?
你知道现在几点吗？49点
Is Mr. White at home?
怀特先生在家吗？50点
May I speak to Mrs. Brown?
我找布朗太太。51点
Could I visit you tomorrow?
我明天能拜访你吗？52点
Are you free?
你有空吗？53点
Please come in.
请进。